Are you struggling to understand the fundamental concepts of Linux? Or do you find yourself overwhelmed with several tutorials online but don't know where to begin? If so, then you're in the right place. Introducing our latest course, Linux Fundamentals, a complete guide for beginners. Whether you're new to Linux or looking to strengthen your knowledge, this course is a roadmap to mastering it step by step. With interactive tutorials, detailed comparisons of similar topics, and practical command line examples, this course breaks down complex concepts into easy-to-understand lessons. You will have access to quizzes to test your knowledge and downloadable PDFs for offline learning. But what truly sets us apart is that we want to be a part of your Linux journey and not just guide you through it. So are you ready to start learning Linux? Search for Linux Fundamentals, a complete guide for beginners on Udemy. Enroll today and take the first step towards mastering Linux. And subscribe to our YouTube channel for course discounts and updates. See you in class!